6.1 end of unit assessment, problem 1. It says polyhedron P is a cube with a corner removed and located to the top of P. Polyhedron Q is a cube with the same size base as polyhedron P. Wow, that was lots of words. Polyhedron P, we're talking about this shape. Polyhedron Q, we're talking about this shape. And polyhedron P has the cube removed from the corner and relocated on top. So that's what they're talking about. Polyhedron Q has the same size base. So that just means that the bottom square is the same size as this bottom square. It's saying, how do their surface areas compare? Remember that surface area is the area of all of the faces. So here we see 1, 2, 3 faces, and then we have the bottom, we have the right side, we have the back. So we have 6 faces on a cube. This one has more faces than that because it's not just a regular cube. Another way of thinking about surface area is how much paper, if we were to take paper and glue it to all of these faces to cover the whole thing, how much paper would we need in order to do that? So basically the question is, how does the surface area compare? Select the correct choice. A says P's surface area is less than Q's surface area. That means it would take less paper to cover P than to cover Q. Let's look and see which one we think is going to take more paper. This one we're going to need a square piece of paper here, square piece of paper here, square piece of paper here, square piece on the bottom, the right, and the back. So 6 square pieces of paper. For this one, we need the same size square on the bottom. We would need this strange shape, this strange shape, this strange shape, a square on the back, and a square on the left. And then we'd need some small little squares in here. And then we would also need a square here, a square here, a small little square here, square on the back of that one, and a square on the left side of that one. So we're actually going to need more paper to cover the whole surface area of P, which means that the surface area of P is greater than the surface area of Q. So if we look at our solutions, P surface area is less, no. P surface area is equal, no. P surface area is greater than Q surface area, correct. There's not enough information given to compare their surface areas. That is incorrect. The correct answer is C.